Hi guys, ito na naman si Auntie guys. Nabudol na naman ako ng Amazon. Nakabili na naman ako ng exercise equipment. But this one is a fun one. I try to learn guys, mag-balance kasi very bad talaga yung balance ko. And this is for core muscles too guys kasi hindi ka naman makaka-balance guys kung mahina yung core muscles natin. Mahinang nila lang. Yung abs ko nasa ilalim guys, ayaw magpakita kasi natabunan ng mga fats. So ito siya guys, Urban Fit. It is not sponsored guys, okay? I just really want to learn, how to balance properly. Kasi nagsiskateboarding lessons ako guys and I would really like to learn surfing in the future. Kasi nagsiswimming lessons na ako guys. Late na ako matutong mag-swim. So ito yung anak ko guys, nagsiskateboarding din nito siya. Kaya gusto din niyang mag-learn ng balancing. Diba? Talagang core muscles, coordination ng mga body namin.